Hello, welcome to withcodeexample.com. This is an introduction video on top cloud platform providers that you can confidently explore in 2024. Today, we are going to dive into the potential of cloud services. So, what is cloud? Essentially, the cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet, and the software and databases that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in data centers all over the world. There are several types of cloud services, namely infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. All these types provide various levels of control, flexibility, and management. There are many benefits of using cloud services. Some of the key advantages include cost savings, speed and efficiency, global scale, productivity, performance, security, and the opportunity for innovation. Let's now delve into the top cloud platforms that are creating waves in 2024. First on our list is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. It provides reliable, scalable, and inexpensive cloud computing services, including machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. Second, we have Microsoft Azure. Microsoft's ever-expanding set of cloud services helps organizations meet their business challenges, empowering them to achieve more. Next up is Google Cloud Platform, offering public cloud computing services that provide various options for computing, storage, and application development on Google's infrastructure. Fourth on our list is Cloudflare. It is well known for its scalable, easy-to-use, global network specifically designed to secure enterprise-class applications. Last, but not least, is Firebase, a great platform developed by Google for creating mobile and web applications. It provides an array of cloud services like hosting, cloud storage, real-time databases, machine learning, and much more. I have written a detailed blog post on these cloud platforms. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Make sure to visit there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.